Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So this is our first class related to Python, and we are going to cover this topic from scratch to the advanced level. So those who are interested to learn this language, please keep a watch on this channel as videos will come up gradually. No technical expertise are required to learn this language, and anyone from any background can learn this language and grow themselves professionally. So let me start today's session. So I am sharing my screen. Before starting anything, let's download the Python. Okay. So to download the Python, go to python.org. Open your browser and type python.org. Okay. Hit enter. Go to downloads and download the Python. So it's downloading now. The total size is 24.2 MB. Now we are going to install the Python in our system. Double click the setup. Tick this option, add python.exe to path. What is the reason behind that? We are going to discuss in our future session, but as of now, just take this option and click on install now. Yes. So installation of the Python is very much easy. Only thing is that you need to go to the website python.org. From there, you need to download the Python setup, and you just need to double click that setup to start the installation process in the system. Okay, so you saw that more or less it took around 3 to 4 minutes of time to download the setup and to install the Python in our system. Now click the close button. Now if you want to open the Python, go to search and type Python, and we need to open this ideally Python. Ideally Python. Okay, so click this one. Okay, I hope that you are able to see the Python shell now. So this is a Python shell. Python shell is nothing but a part of ideally. Now, what is the meaning of ideally? Ideally is integrated development and learning environment. This is where you are going to interact with Python interpreter that is installed in our system. And what is 3.11.3? That is the version of the Python that we have downloaded and installed in our system. Okay. And this is an interactive platform where you will get the result immediately of your code. So what do you mean by interactive platform? So suppose if we type 1 plus 5 and hit enter, we are immediately getting the result. Okay. Another example, a equals to 5. So I just put a and I am immediately getting the result of a, that is 5. Okay. So that is why we can say that this is an interactive platform where we will get the result immediately of our code. So this is our code and we are immediately getting the results. Okay. Now, before we go further, let's discuss the agenda. So I hope that you are able to see my PPT. Now, what are the topics we are going to cover for Python? So first of all, obviously, there will be the introduction. The next topic will be variable and string manipulation, data structures of Python, loops. So when I am speaking of loops, then there will be if, else, for loop, while loops. So break statements and all those things we are going to cover in the loops. There will be functions, how we can define our own function or how we can use the function that is already available in the system. Class, how to define our own class. Modules and packages, what are the different type of modules available in the Python. Those are already predefined modules. Exception handling, how to handle the exception by using the try block, finally block, and all those things. File handling, how to open a file, how to close a file, how to write or read a file. So all those things we are going to explain in that topic. Networking, so basically we are going to code the client part and the server part by using the Python platform. Numpy, so this comes under the advanced version of the Python, while we are going to discuss on Numpy, the Pandas, Matplotlib, how we can use the Matplotlib to generate the graphs and all those things in the Python. Sys Module, Towers of Hanoi, WSGI, SQLite. Okay, so these are the topics more or less which we are going to cover for Python, and this we are going to cover from the scratch to the advanced level. Okay. Now, what is Python? Python is a high-level interpreted programming language that is known for its simplicity, readability, and versatility. It is one of the most popular programming language in the world. Now, what are the uses of Python? Python is often used for web development, scientific computing, data analysis, artificial intelligence, machine learning, and more. Okay, so some common areas of utilization for Python. Where we can use the Python language? Web development. Python is widely used to develop the web applications both on the front end and the back end, which I told you the client and the server model. Popular web frameworks include Flask and Django. Scientific computing. Python has become a popular choice for scientific computing due to its powerful libraries, such as Numpy, Pandas, which make it easy to perform complex mathematical operations. So in our advanced version classes, definitely we are going to discuss on the Numpy and the Pandas. Okay. Data analysis. Python is commonly used for data analysis and visualization with libraries such as Matplotlib, Plotly, and Seaborn. Artificial intelligence and machine learning. Python is often used in the development of artificial intelligence and machine learning systems with libraries such as PyTorch, TensorFlow, etc. Automation. Python is often used for automation tasks such as web scraping, data cleaning, and scripting. All right, by this, I am ending today's session, which is related to the introduction part. In our next session, we are going to discuss on variable and the string manipulation. So stay tuned and thanks for watching and subscribing.